For the factors method, we must get the factors of the divisor, which is 25, and we can make 25 using 5 multiplied by 5. We then divide 5 into 525 and get an answer, and then divide 5 into that again to get the final answer. So for the family strategy, we use D for dad, which is divide, M for multiply, which is mom, S for subtract, as in sister, B for brother, which means bring down, and then R for Rover the dog, which means repeat or remainder. So when we get onto the R part, we use repeat if the number that is got at the end is greater than the divisor. So in this instance, 25 is the same as 25, therefore we repeat because we can divide it in again another time. If it is less than that, comes the remainder, and if we are using decimals, there is no remainder. We repeat also. If you get to the last number that you're dividing into and there is a number left over, we must add a decimal place and a 0 so that we can carry over what's left. So in this case, 1 is left over, so we add that to a decimal point and a 0, so it makes 10. So 4 into 10 goes twice, and there's 2 left over, which we can add another 0, and 4 into 20 goes 5 times. We are now ready to go on to the second line, which 9 divides into.